بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. This is your English class. Let's start the class with A to Z poem. Okay, stand up for poem. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Okay, it was a nice poem. Very good. Okay, students. Before moving the new lecture, we will revise the previous lesson. Okay, look at this card. What is this? This is A. Yes, this is A. And the sound A. What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of A? A. Yes, this is A and the sound A. This is A and the sound A. Okay, students. What is this? This is B. What is this? B and the sound B. Name B and the sound B. Name B and the sound B. Okay, students. What is this? This is C. What is this? C and the sound K. And the sound K. Name C and the sound K. Name C and the sound K. Okay, students. What is this? Yes, this is D. What is this? D. What is this? D. It's named D. And the sound D. What is the sound of D? D. What is the sound of D? D. Name D and the sound D. Name D, sound D. Okay, students, we have learned name D and the sound D in our previous lecture. Now, we will move toward the formation. Okay, students, आज हम D की formation सीखेंगे. Okay, now stand up. Make your right arm straight like this. Raise your two fingers. Raise your two fingers and just move the wrist. Just move the wrist. But be careful, try to not move the elbow. Now be ready and follow me. All the way round, up and down. 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 All the way round, all the way round, up and down. All the way round, up and down. All the way round, up and down. Okay, now clear the table and start tracing over the table. But this time, just one finger. Okay, all the way round, up and down. All the way round, up and down. All the way round, up and down. Okay, now look at this student.
All the way around, up and down.
Yes, all the way round, up and down. All the way round, up and down. बहुत अच्छे. एयर और टेबल एक्टिविटी के बाद अब हम एक और एक्टिविटी करेंगे which is also very interesting. Take the sand in a disposable plate and start the practice with your right hand, one finger. All the way round, up and down. 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 Very good. All the way round, up and down. All the way round,
up and down.
Okay, it's the time for another activity. Yes, take the Play-Doh. Yes, take the Play-Doh. Mix it. Roll it like a snack. And try to form T. Yes, very good. Very good. Roll it and form D. All the way round, up and down. Very good. Okay, students. Now look at this alphabet chart. We will revise from A. This is A and the sound E. This is A and the sound E. This is B and the sound B. This is B and the sound B. This is B and the sound B. This is C and the sound K. This is C and the sound K. Name C and the sound K. This is D and the sound D. Name D and the sound D. Name D and the sound D. Okay, let's repeat it once again. Name A, sound E. Name A, sound E. Name A, sound E. Name B, sound B. Name B, sound B. Name B, sound B. Name C, sound K. Name C, sound K. Name C, sound K. Name D, sound D. Name D, sound D. Name D, sound D. All students, now homework time. Open your notebook. Yes, look at this page. बच्चों, आपने ऐसा ही पेज तैयार करना है. यहाँ पर आप डे लिखेंगे. यहाँ पर आप डे लिखेंगे कि कौन से डे आप होमवर्क कर रहे हैं. HW मीन्स होमवर्क. डेट, यहाँ पर आप डेट लिखेंगे. लेटर D. What is this? D. बच्चों, ये लेटर D है. You will write it in upper 3 lines. Okay? You all will draw the margin line. And you will draw the duck. और D से स्टार्ट होने वाली कोई भी चीज़ आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. Okay? Now look at me. I will write D for you in just one line. Okay, now look at me. All the way round, up and down. All the way round, up and down. Okay, students, you will write D in upper 3 lines. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines. But we will write the D in upper 3 lines 1 2 3 नीचे की एक लाइन आपने छोड़ देनी है आप D सिर्फ ऊपर की 3 लाइंस में लिखेंगे you will write the D in upper 3 lines okay students it's your homework बच्चों आपने घर में अच्छे से होमवर्क करना है और अपनी एक अच्छी सी वीडियो बनवाकर हमें व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड करनी है ओके हैव अ नाइस डे अल्लाह हाफिज
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما